The littlest bird. There were 7 green birds in a beautiful nest at the top of a tree where the view was the best. But the littlest bird didn't like it at all, for the beautiful nest was incredibly small. No place for her slippers, her toothbrush, and things, and not even the space to spread out her wings. Her brothers and sisters all borrowed her stuff, and her mom didn't listen or kiss her enough. Every night when they tried to sleep, what a squeeze! What a wriggling tangle of feathers and knees! Every morning, the littlest bird really wished that she didn't wake up feeling jostled and squished. So she said to herself, "They won't care if I move." So she said to herself, "I'm sick of this place. They won't care if I move to a nest with more space." So she packed up her slippers, her toothbrush and things, and when no one was looking, she spread out her wings. Then she fluttered about over meadow and wood, looking high, looking low, for a nest that was good. But the nests that she found didn't have enough space. They were gloomy or drafty or in the wrong place. Then on top of a mountain she stopped for a rest, and she spotted a simply incredible nest. It seemed to be empty, with no one in sight, so she unpacked her things and moved in for the night. There was no space for her slippers, her toothbrush and things. There was space for her slippers and toothbrush and things, and whenever she liked, she could spread out her wings. It was strange, all the stillness, with no one around. Then the littlest bird heard a loud cracking sound. Through a hole in an egg poked a short, scaly snout, and the beady black eyes of a dragon peeped out. Are you my mommy?" the baby dragon said. But the littlest bird just shook her head. Then she heard a voice calling, "My baby, I'm here." And a big mother dragon came hurrying near. The littlest bird watched them cuddle each other. She missed her own nest and she longed for her mother. She looked at the dragons and felt rather small. She thought maybe this place isn't perfect at all. She packed up her slippers, her toothbrush and things. She did not say goodbye. She just spread out her wings. Then she took to the air, flying quick as could be, and rushed back to her home at the top of the tree. Her mother said, "Darling," and cuddled and kissed her. Her brothers and sisters all said how they had missed her. With squishes and squeezes and flurries of feather, the birds and their mother all huddled together. And yes, it was crowded and ever so small, but the littlest bird didn't mind that at all.